Hi, welcome to Ray Purpose Made, home of one-of-a-kind custom furniture. See how I take regular old pieces of wood and turn into something extra special just for you. Do you have a nightstand that's about to fall down? Or a dining room table chair that's on its last leg? Is your bed collapsed on the floor? Well, never fear. I'm not just the guy who creates custom furniture. I'm also your neighborhood handyman. You know how most mattresses come with those wooden slats that run across the bed and sit on those tiny little pieces of wood on both sides of the frame? Well, for Antoinette's full-size daybed, one of those pieces just fell off, which meant the whole mattress and all the slats were on the floor. So it was my job to restore it, bring it back up, and make sure it was even stronger than it was before. I created tiny little ledger boards under where the original slat ledger board is so that when I put it back on, it'll be more reinforced. While repairing this bed, I actually figured out why it broke. I'm like an armchair forensic analyst when it comes to broken furniture. Unlike most beds, day beds are only accessed from one side, which means all of the stress is put on that one side. And that's why most of the day beds, they come with an asymmetrical bracing that's closer to the front so that it can be more supported on that one side. But when this bed was built, that asymmetrical bracing that's kind of off center in the center, that bracing was placed in the back. So which meant the front of the bed, which you access only and all the time, the front of the bed was less supported and more likely to break. So part of me repairing it was I did put that bracing back that's kind of farther back on the bed. I did put that bracing back, but I also put bracing in the front and put the little poles in the front that goes to the floor, which makes it more supported and more supported on the side it needs to be supported on. So I fixed it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you want to see more. If you click on that little bell on the bottom, you will be notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thanks for watching.